Alright, this is going to be a cold start. My 94 7.3 IDI has a Banks turbo. Get in here. Oh, my dad left the door open, so I don't know. Cab lights don't work now. Third brake light isn't working now. I don't know. Hopefully the batteries aren't dead. It's a manual, 5-speed, 4x4. Has a Dana 60 in it. Glow plugs are clicking. I don't think it's supposed to happen, but you know, it's a project. It's gonna get the doors together today. It was smoky. It was about, it went down to 39 degrees last night and the night before that. So it's a pretty good start. Had a little bit of smoke there, not too bad. It sometimes smokes at idle. It's weird that it's not smoking now. Usually smoking is cold, but I guess not. Pretty sure the injectors or injection pump are going out.